2 minus 2, then times 4 minus 2. 2 minus 2 gives us 0. So 0 times this parenthesis. Inside this parenthesis we have 4 minus 2, which equals 2. And 0 times 2 is just 0. But this answer is not correct, because according to the order of operations, which is PEMDAS, P stands for parentheses, E stands for exponents, M and D stands for multiplication and division, and A and S stands for addition and subtraction. First we have to do parentheses, then exponents, then multiplication or division, and finally addition or subtraction. Remember that multiplication and division have equal priority and we have to work from left to right. And the same applies to addition and subtraction. Here in this expression we have one subtraction, one multiplication, and one parenthesis. In PEMDAS, parentheses has higher priority than other operations. So first we have to do this parenthesis, not this subtraction. So first this parenthesis, then this multiplication, and finally this subtraction. Okay? Inside this parenthesis we have 4 minus 2, which equals 2. So 2 minus 2, then times 2. Now we have one subtraction and one multiplication. In PEMDAS, multiplication comes before subtraction. So 2 times 2 gives us 4. And 2 minus 4, which equals negative 2. So therefore, our final answer to this problem is just negative 2. The correct answer is negative 2.